Can I with the bread one no cold?
Okay, sir. Daddy, okay.
Mama di mama. Mama. Yeah, Dada, they leave you.
Just no vessel. Who be that woman where everybody dey hear? Who she be? Tell she dey shine, her body dey glitter. They won't come on. Who is she be?
You don't know. What did I say? Just come.
I just come and my brother will give me address. I see they find house.
See that woman where they see like that. Now she get Lagos. You say we enter Lagos where she don't know. You don't commit big crime with that. If you want drink water for Lagos, if you want make am for Lagos, you must know that woman. This woman, as she they call Mama Eko. Iya Gbogbo. Iya Eko. Anybody who know now for Lagos, you never come Lagos. Thank God say she no even see you. As you sit down here, now you legal enter, now you enter. Where you no come through her.
Wait, as I enter Lagos now, I never see her. My legal.
Illegal, say legal. I don't put legal now, say legal.
Gal, but okay. So as I go, I must see her before I go start anything for Lagos.
You know see who get Lagos. I want to make her for Lagos.
Even myself, na business carry me come here. I won't buy land. I won't build house. Because the story why they hear, say anybody will build house, become landlord for Lagos. Say him they make them and him they live longer. Say tenants they pay. Because that place where I build my own house for East that side. They owe me money all the time. So my friends will build house for Lagos. Everybody they talk say Lagos people they pay. Lagos people then they pay. I say make I come here find place where I go buy land, build a house, so I go become landlord. So na business carry me enter. Thank God I see the woman wey get Lagos. I beg how you go take help me? I want to see this woman. How I go take go meet am? Waiting just wara more.
You want make am for Lagos?
I want.
You come for business. Thank God say you say I should waka pass now. The only thing wey go make you make am for this Lagos wey come or be anything you wan be, I say you go meet am and you get only one thing you suppose to do. You will know how to speak small Yoruba. Even as you take come now, if you know sabi speak and well, but sabi speak and small, you go sabi speak and small. If you know say because she be Lagos landlord, the whole Lagos na she be the landlord.
So I go learn Yoruba.
You go sabi speak small. Small Yoruba must dey. For anything you want tell her before she will feel attend to you.
That one no be problem. You go help me teach me now. Yoruba no be if you don't do wo, wo, wo be hen. We na so na ampo no me kan bo wa. Ebum no bia. Wo, wo.
You no go have you at all. You no go have you.
Yeah, high Swaja. Anu ma so Swahili ma for dey Yoruba.
Omo dada ni yin.
Dadam no nulo so dum ya.
Omo dada ni yin.
ẹ ṣe o èmi nìyẹn wo wọn ò ní fi mí ṣàwátì wọn ní ṣèmi náà ṣàwátì as una dey hail me so na so baba God go dey hail una too. Because na as you do for me na so me sef go dey do for you. Àyùnbọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ń yẹnu. Better for all of us. If me I dey laugh, una too go dey laugh.
Yes.
Nobody go cry, inshallah. Ìwọ wá ń bí ó tó náà, ó tó. Ó ṣe.
Alájẹ gbogbo Èkó.
Yàgògò ilẹ̀ Èkó. Wo? Share to them. As you were, because we still get work where we go do. Anybody will say we not go shop for this Lagos.
You not go chop.
Anybody will say we not go shop. He said not go shop.
You not go shop.
So kilo stop. Roll. Chai. Feel lejo. Hey. Leave am. I'm waiting. Whoa. Leave that thing. Drop her. I said drop her. I go call you back, I beg. I can go. She's going, you know. Oda bojo.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Yes. Ele.
Whoa. 70 years old man. Whoa.
Kí ló wò?
Kí ló ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ náà?
Àbí wèrè lélẹ́yìí.
Chai. Kí ló wò?
Ó há bọ́ ẹ lẹ́nu. Kí ló ń há? Kí ló dé?
Whoa. Kí ló dé? Wetin happen?
Mo wo IBT fíìmù. Èmi olóṣì.
Olóṣì yẹn.
Eléyìí ò gbédè ó kéke o. Olóṣì mo rí pé olóṣì olórí burúkú èyí. Kí ló ń wò? Which one be olóṣì ni mí? Wò ó, kí ló ń wò? Wetin you dey wò? Ẹjọ́ ta ló gbé wèrè wá sí?
Talk na, you know wetin? Talk.
Chineke nna nyere m aka ihe adabaala. Nwaanyị achị ụlọ ọchị ya biznes a ga-awọ ọkụ. Bi n'igwe pratụle.
Wetin you dey talk?
Ụwa jale. Eba.
Ta ló wá jalè?
Ọwa jale.
Mo gbé. Ó wọ ilé mi ẹkùn. Èmi ẹkùn. Abijawara. Olóòfẹ́ wá jalè. Ẹ̀yin boys. Ṣe.
Ẹ bọ́ síta.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ eré o. Ẹ gbọ́, olórí burúkú olóṣìkejì ajá yìí, ó wọ ilé mi ẹkùn wá, ó lórí láyà, ó wá sọ fún èmi wípé òun wá jalè nínú ilé.
Nílé màmá ẹ̀kú. Níbo ló ti wá? Pass straight for there. Dábàá yẹn nà. Pass straight for there. Pass straight for there. Kí ló dé?
Ẹgbẹ́ síbẹ̀ rẹ̀.
Ẹ̀yin wọ́n yà sí ọ̀la nà.
Abeg, make una help me ask olórí burúkú olóṣì. Má ṣàǹfààní ọmọ. Wetin he come? Wetin be the thing wey dey in mind wey come stick for my house? Kí ló jẹ́ yóò tó fi wá sínú ilé mi? Why enter my house?
Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, speak louder.
Na olóṣì àbí I no be.
You can't know what you call here for house.
Ẹ wo tó ẹ̀yin boys. Ẹ mọ nǹkan. anybody wey waka enter lion's den wetin dey happen.
Okay. Abroad you go carry go back. Ó máa fẹ̀jẹ̀ wẹ̀ lọ́tà ẹni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ó máa òkú máa fẹ̀jẹ̀ wẹ̀ ní lọ́wọ́ kan ni. This one, I enter my own èmi ìyálóde. Èmi ẹkùn Abijawara. Iná lójú iná lẹ́nu. Ẹni kò mọ̀ ẹni mọ̀ òkò. You enter my own dey come tell me say you wan go to today you go do. Ẹ bá mi fún ní treatment tí wọ́n fún àwọn tó wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Àwọn pèlè tó bá wá sí ìlú Èkó. Bèbè tí ò lé èbè.
All this fun and all those don't get thoughts.
You enter my house,
Mama, am I being no?
Èmi ẹkùn.
Am I being no?
Kìkìdé Ògùn.
Mama.
Ew.
Mama.
Ew.
Mama.
Ew.
Mama. Mama. Try it, mama.
Onye na-eji fa Namgo onye na-eji fa chiefimocomedylatest Ị ga-egbukwa mmadụ Kedu onye na-elo gị ilo Onye ahụ ga-agbajukwu ụkwụ
Brother, can't like one car. Yeah, what happened? What happened to you?
Chai.
What happened to your head?
You only you waka come.
No. Talk to me. What happened?
And that is God.
And your mama, nothing happened to my head. Now your generation, nothing happened to my head.
Continue.
In fact, now your grandmama, nothing happened to my head. You be wicked.
Hey!
You be wicked. I tell you, say I want to do business. You tell me, say make I go tell them, say I be armed robber. Yeah! Come to rob mama, Eko house.
Chai.
Me, that's what he teach me. I go there open mouth. I go to respond story Sam. I be alone show.
No problem.
The more they tear, the more I need low shimmy. The more they tear, the more I need low shimmy. Moko be anya hana chara. You them tell them correct one day. You no go better for you.
You go to them say you go lose.
Thunder fire you for that question where they ask me. See, let me tell you. Today is your turn. Today you don't win. Today I don't enter your trap.
Chai.
Today you don't chop me. But you cannot chop me forever. But you cannot chop me forever. It could be another person turn to chop you tomorrow. So whatever a man does or did or do to his fellow man, now take and hold on for me. There must be a day of reckoning. Back and somewhere.
Maybe now you know here well though. I don't tell you, mate, don't say you be Oloshi.
Yeah!
You only you waka come.
I'm Oloshi. Don't more for their life.
Continue.
Namgo onye na-eji fa chiefimocomedylatest